Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are great. So today in this video, like you all may be remembering about our last video in which we have done subdomain enumeration. So in that I have made some changes. I'll be showing you that. But before that, let me show you. We have subdomains.txt and we have like 1423 subdomains. So what we are going to do is here, let's do let's just do cat subdomains and httpx. Let's try this. Okay, it's going on, and what it will be doing is it will give us all the, like, yeah, these alive subdomains. Okay, wait, right now we don't have opera dot software, so let me just close this. I just did it. Let me just go again. Yeah, here. Okay, here we have. So let's just try it again. Yeah, it's, let me clear it and let's do it again, and let's try WC to know that we have 670 subdomains. So what we're going to do is, let's clear this, and here we'll do a new, and let's name it as new subs, new subs, new, and .txt. So here we'll just do cat subs.new. Okay, these are great. So let's do cat subs new, and let's do httpx, and let's new them to alive.txt. Okay, wait, I just misspelled it. Okay, so what httpx is going to do is it will check for all the alive subdomains which are there, and we can just get to look for them. Okay, nice. So here we have sign in with sign in with Google. So we can just try some of the stuff like OAuth and all that. Also, we have, I think, okay. So we also have, yeah, we can try for open redirects if it happens. Okay, nice. Let's try this one, airflow.osp.opera.software. So first of all, let me just check it again. Oh, wait, bug crowd opera. Yeah, here is our program, and in this program we are going to look for what do we have for that. Just a second. Okay, let me close it, and yeah, this one. I think my internet connection is a bit slow, or okay, it's like httpx is running, so that's why I think it's a bit slow. Let it complete, and let's see. We can check for here on this. Let's try opera.com. Wait, let's do bug crowd. Okay, let me do it. Let's do opera bug crowd, and here we are onto the opera bug crowd program. So I think here also our speed is a bit slow. Let me check speed test and run the speed test by this. Okay, yeah, it loaded, and here we'll get that opera.software. So let's just find it, opera.software. Yeah, here it is. Okay, osp.opera.software, the website on which we are looking, is an API testing website. Okay, so it's the website testing. Good. So it's not loading. Okay, it's done. So let's just clear and see WC for alive.txt. Okay, we only have 75. That's okay. So here as you can see, it's an OSP. Okay, it's the same, no problem. So let's just do cat alive.txt. Okay, so let's try some other one. Let's try open this aws.opera.com. Okay, this is something like AWS services. So yeah, we can try this one also. Let's try it. Okay, most of these are getting us to a Google login page. Okay, let me just disable it, and here we'll be opening this. Okay, no problem. Let's just copy the link and we can paste it here. Press enter. Yeah, it's taking a lot of time. So till then, what I'm going to show you is, let's just go here. We have, yeah, here we have subs.sh. So I've created a subdomain enumeration file, so you guys can also use that. And here it is subs.sh. So first of all, what I did was, it's a bash script, and first I created a, like you can see, make dir, that is here. First when it run, it just created a a directory, and inside the directory it just go onto the directory. So let's just do cd into opera.software. So we can use any of those, like uh, whatever target we are using, we just create a directory for that, and inside it it will cd. Okay, and there it will create a directory for subs. But before going into the subs, it will do is subfinder. It will run for subfinder, which we already have seen in our first session. So it ran dash d subfinder, and this $1 sign is for the target which we have provided, and it's all and dash silent. So for nu is like a tool you may be knowing about. Like I've been running this tool from a lot, like many years, and the guys who are watching me from, like from the starting, they may be knowing about this tool. I have also covered about it, so I'll not be covering it again. So nu is a tool which will give all these domains into this file. So it is like the target name and then subfinder.txt. Then we ran emas enum, and again $1, and it will be like nu again $1 emas.txt, that is opera.software and emas.txt. Again for asset finder, then we ran a tool named chaos. You may be knowing about it also, like I've also covered about it too. Here we have find domain, then we have curl. It is something different. Like we are going on to the cert.sh file, and there we did again $1, that is our opera.software, and the output will be in the JSON format. Here what we did was, we ran it and get all the subdomains that we got from this file. Then we ran shodan. Then we combined all of these, like cat star, and ran shuffle dns. And then we ran shuffle dns with an like dns json hadx. That file you may be knowing about it. He has covered a lot about this file, so, and I really love it. You'll get it into seclist. So if you want to check, you can go on to there, like seclist and discovery and dns. Then here we have the file. So I also have the resolvers, and we did brute force. So we created a file again. Then we did api hacker target, and then there are some others. And after that we also did like cat star and nu subs, that is subdomains.txt, and we remove all the other txt files that we have created till now. And after that we ran subfinder with recursive subdomain enumeration. So that is pretty much like a good subdomain enumeration. You can add as much as you want, and you can use this file if you want. And if you guys want this file, you just send, like comment down in the video, and I'll upload it into GitHub and share the link with you guys. Okay. Okay, I think that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, and we'll meet in the next video. So till then, bye bye, and thanks for watching.